Welcome. If you're tired of your phone buzzing every time someone sends an accepted follow request on Instagram, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, we'll walk through how to disable vibration for those notifications so you can stay in the moment without the distraction. First, open your phone's main settings. This is the dashboard where all your apps and system preferences live. From here, you're going to manage how apps communicate with you rather than tweaking Instagram itself. Next, tap on Apps. Depending on your device, this section might be labeled Apps, Applications, or App Management. The goal is to see a list of all installed apps so you can find Instagram quickly. Scroll through or use the search bar to locate Instagram, then select it. You'll land on a screen that summarizes Instagram's permissions and notification options. Here is where you control how you're alerted to updates from the app. Tap on Notifications. This opens the notification settings specific to Instagram. Different Android skins and iOS versions present this a bit differently, but the core idea remains the same. You can customize how and what you're notified about. Look for notification categories or a similar segmented area. If your device supports categories, you'll see a list of different notification types that Instagram can send. Tap on Accepted Follow Requests. This is the category we're focusing on. You'll see several options under this category, including sound, banner style, and vibration. The key step is to toggle off Vibrate. Slide the switch to the off position so your phone won't vibrate for accepted follow request notifications anymore. If there's no Vibrate toggle visible, you may see a separate sound or haptic option. In that case, turn off haptic feedback or set the vibration to none for this category. The goal is to ensure there's no physical buzz when that notification arrives. To confirm, go back to the main Instagram notification settings and test by having a friend send an accepted follow request to yourself or wait for an actual event. You should now receive the alert without any vibration, keeping your attention on what matters without the disruption.